Hi everyone, we're the AnimalTunes. Come sing with us.
Welcome to AnimalTunes Academy. We're so happy to see you. Let's learn and play together.
1 times 1 equals 1. 1
Look at
times
this number,
2
everyone.
equals 2.
It's the number 2.
1
Look
times
at
3
this amazing
equals
number 3.
1
Look at
times
me.
4
I'm holding
equals
a
4. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times
let's
6
see.
equals 6. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 8 equals 8. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 10 equals 10.
Yes! Woohoo! Let's draw
1
the
times
big
11
one.
is
Wow,
11.
so colorful. Look,
1
Birdie,
times
it's
12
really there.
equals 12.
The number 12. It's so bright. We did it. Happy New Year.
Let's sing again. 1 times 1 equals 1.
Look at this
1
number,
times 2
everyone.
equals
It's the
2.
number 2.
1
Look at
times
this
3
amazing number
equals
3.
3.
Look at
1
me.
times
I'm
4
holding a
equals
4.
4. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1
let's
times
see.
6 equals 6. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 8 equals 8. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 10 equals 10.
Yes! Woohoo! Let's draw the
1
big
times
one.
11
Wow,
is 11.
So colorful. Look, Birdie,
1
it's
times
really
12
there.
equals
The
12.
number 12. It's so bright. We did it. Happy New Year.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
See you next time.